He was respected and liked across this chamber. It's little understood outside the Senedd of 60 how well we know each other, how closely we work together across parties, across all parts of Wales. We spend so much time together that we get to know each other well. Therefore, the sense of loss in this room today, this Senedd, is profound.
Some people leave a mark quietly, and others leave it loudly. Hefin did both. He left a mark on everyone who knew him through his laughter, his intellect, his boundless energy, and his extraordinary capacity to care. Today we come together to remember a friend, a colleague, a father, a partner, and a truly remarkable human being.
With great sorrow today, I ask the Senedd to stand now to commemorate our dear friend, Hefin David.
After the tributes, it was right back on the horse for the Senedd as First Minister's questions returned for the first time since July. The usual topics, of course, come up, with Conservative leader Darren Millar calling out the Welsh Government's handling of the NHS in Wales.
First Minister, over the summer, my Welsh Conservative colleagues and I have been pounding the streets, knocking on doors, attending events and listening to what the Welsh public has to say. And one issue came up time and time again in those conversations: the dire state of the Welsh NHS. Ambulance delays, overcrowded emergency departments with long waits for treatment, a lack of beds in our hospitals, difficulties getting GP and dental appointments, and unacceptable waiting times for diagnostic tests and treatment. Do you accept, First Minister, that on Labour's watch, the Welsh NHS is broken?
No, I absolutely don't. I don't think a system that has 2.7 million appointments every single month in a population of 3 million people is a system that's broken. I think it's a system that's working for the vast, vast majority of people in this country. Do we need more? Of course we need more. Do we need it to work better? Of course we do. And that's why it is a priority area for us as a government. That is why we've invested an extra £1.5 billion of extra money in Welsh public services. And a huge amount of that money went towards the NHS, specifically towards bringing those longest waiting lists down. And over the course of the year, that is happening. It is making a difference.